get that thing.
Okay, so I guess we weren't recording. So this is going to be our very sincere Christmas tree right here that we're going to saw down. Saw it down. We're going to cut it down. Hey, Dustin, do me a favor. You're going to be the cameraman, okay? So just hold this at the bottom. Don't touch the screen. Don't touch the screen. Hold it just like that.
We find all.
Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to cut our Christmas tree.
Famous Christmas tree.
Let me get it started, and then I'll let you get in on the action, okay? So just hold it and record. So far, you're doing great. All right. Now I've never done this before. Thank you.
You got this, lady.
Never done this before. That's
Okay,
so.
help. Mike. Just one.
Just one.
Yeah. Again, did not listen to the instructions.
Simple.
Oh.
Can you please stop?
Hey, I have a YouTube video going here, guys. How low can you go?
How low can you go?
Hello, can we go?
Here, you want me to hold some of this up?
It's gonna take a while, I think.
You want me to hold some of this up?
I should have brought the goggles. Chainsaw, do we have one?
No.
No fair, they have a chainsaw.
You know what? We're doing it manually.
Yeah, we get more muscles from this.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I got a little bit. I got it started. Here. Let me see that. Good job, Dustin.
Yes.
Dustin, be very careful. Careful.
I know, but your daughter is supposed to.
You got it. Be careful. Take your time.
There you go, bro. And you know what helps? There we go.
So, welcome to the famous tree. So,
Here, watch.
we are.
Come on, you got it. You got it.
Keep it going. We go over there and help
You do
out
it.
because
You
Mike
can
can't
do
get
it.
down at all.
Sorry.
You can do it to any tree you can.
Good job, Dustin.
Yeah. You want me to help you get in a little bit farther? You got it.
You almost got
Here,
it.
here. You do one side. You hold that side. I'll hold this side. Ready?
Careful.
You're so great. You're
I'll pull. You pull.
Pull.
When the jump
Helps is actually.
You're okay. You get up. If you don't want to do it anymore, you're fine. Go ahead. Go with Kalani in there. We got this.
Got it?